Hi everyone, I'm Ruchira. I'm one of the physical therapists here at Breakthrough, and I'll be answering one of the most commonly asked questions of how to treat tennis elbow. Here we have Eri. She's one of our physical therapists on board as well, and she has graciously volunteered to model for us. So let's get started. So one of the common stretches that we can do for tennis elbow when it's hurting is just extend your elbow and then just bend the wrist till you feel a light stretch here. Don't overpress it, just go till the point that you feel a light stretch. Do you want to show it, Terry? And you can hold it for 30 seconds. You can do about 3 stretches every 2 to 3 hours during the day. So I'm assuming this tennis elbow that you have developed is in a more acute and an inflammatory stage, which means you're getting a lot of pain here. So it's a good idea to ice multiple times. It's also a good idea to release that muscle by yourself. Do like a gentle stretch, holding for 30 seconds couple times a day. But I'm going to show you one exercise, which is a great exercise to start off with. It's called an eccentric strengthening of your extensors, which means that you're going to take your arm and go slow and controlled towards the gravity, which is going to lengthen that muscle. It's going to increase the blood flow and healing of that muscle. While coming up, you're going to use your hand and slowly come back to neutral. Again, you're going to slowly work on controlling this and then come back. As things get better, you can add a little bit of a weight, like a pound weight, go down, and again use your hand to come back up. And as things get better, you can actually start going upwards to strengthen this area. You can start with a light towel, hold here, then slowly work on lowering down, and then slowly come back here. And really control your motion going in the downwards direction. Another exercise that you can do for the eccentric control is you can hold the towel and then slowly work on lowering it down and then come back up. And go nice and slow. You like it?
I feel a stretch in my forearm
too. That's good. Once the eccentric exercises start to get a little bit easier, you can add exercises which actually activate these extensor muscles. So you can tiny bit squeeze here, and then you can slowly go up and then back down. And you can put your elbow by your side to begin with if you want. How does that feel?
Good. Am I supposed to hold that towel as hard as I can?
Don't squeeze it super hard, just for your tolerance, but you can hold up there for 5 seconds and then slowly come back to neutral.
I can feel that muscle.
Awesome. That's exactly what you want. So you don't want to squeeze too hard, you just want to squeeze till you feel a little bit of an activation here. And then as things get easier, you can add a little bit of weight, and she can do the same thing. She can work on that eccentric as well as work on that concentric motion. And again, nice and slow. And again, you want to slowly come up, hold for 5, and slowly back down. And a lot of times with tennis elbow, it's not just the elbow that you want to treat. Sometimes your shoulder blade muscles are pretty weak too. So we need to correct the mechanics and the imbalance and get stronger in your shoulder blade as we are addressing the elbow. Hope that helps.